So, welcome back. Perfect day for us. You see, there's a storm outside. We can check out what is to do. We have to eat, we have to drink. We should take one of these sodas here for getting additional energy. And then we take a coffee that we get an additional effect on our health, fatigue, whatever. And then we take the water. And let's see how we have left. How much? Oh, this is not too much. But we cannot stay longer here. Well, I I I think I think I I do not know whether I did everything. Are there wolves? Are there wolves somewhere? Hopefully they have a cave or something else. I would like to have this for them. Well, we came out from there. We made some circle there. Maybe. Oh. Maybe. Did we check out this one here? Yeah, we can take whatever we find. But we should try to get as fast as possible.
Wonder if this is any good to eat.
Yes. We should go as fast as possible. We came from there? Yeah, we came from the island. And I guess we should make it to the... We should make it to the... Okay, there's a mark. There's a sign. And oh, how much of these small cabins we find here? Oh, see that? This is perfect. Okay, let's see what we have.
I'm not sure I can carry much more.
Yeah, sing a song about that. Well, I was so tired last night. I did not check out that I played. Oh yeah, there's hopefully we can. I guess we can make it to the center where we were in the last session. Hopefully. Please make that true, please game. Well, we have a hypothermia risk here. We should move here. It looks good so far because we made it through the storm. And I guess there's something. Is it make it a flag? Yeah, the flag is not impressed at all. Okay, we make it back to the center. I don't know how to call it. And we cannot go into the center. So, it was a so loud storm. And, well, let me tell you, I was in the last session. It was longer than the other sessions beforehand. Oh, is there something? How to crouch? No, this is nothing. Okay. It was longer than beforehand. Because I was so tired, I did not see how long all these things are. So there's a hatchet.
This stuff will come in handy.
Okay, let's see. We should check out this one here better. We did not get everything here. Maybe there's something. What is most important for us? We should work against the hypothermia. It would be so nice to have. Is it the right screen? No. You kidding me? Oh, whetstone. Perfect. Okay. Oh, we did. Oh, we. Okay, we did not check out. This one is empty. Okay. Oh. There's no stone at all. Okay. Okay. We should work against the hypothermia risk first, and unfortunately we cannot check. We should not use it. Oh God. Okay, we have no. Okay, let's cross it. Yeah, we can break it down with that. We have enough. We have enough hatchets, so we can take the reclaimed wood here. Yeah, let's start the fire. Well, we can boil some water, so we have an additional effect, and yeah. So I was too tired the last time that I did not had a feeling what is a positive effect or a positive feature of the game. That I did not had the feeling how long I played. So it was over an hour, I guess, the session. But yeah, well, we are so much better according to the temperature. Is a house much better according to the temperature than such a cabin? So this house has a real good influence on our condition here, temperature condition. So well, I thought we would have a problem. Yeah, I know. You remember me. We have to do actually. We have to melt snow. Okay, can we please? Oh. Yeah, you know, I have to train my competition, my competencies according starting fire. So we try that with an additional reclaimed.
Come on.
Yeah, every time when he says, okay, we are healed, so perfect. Every time when he says,
That didn't work.
okay, when he says, come on, actually it worked. This was my impression, but actually, yeah, you see that. How much clothes we have? We collected one and we smashed one cloth. I guess we have enough. So can we use that? I know we already have we got an information that there is some cache somewhere. And yeah, I should note down before I forget this. We need 2 keys from the cabin for the cabins. Okay, I don't know. We don't need sport socks. I know that we don't need sport socks. So okay, we can use the bats here, but this is not necessary. Yeah, I was so tired. So the question is, should I play when I'm not tired? So this would have an effect in 2 ways. I cannot play after a working day sometimes, and this would take much longer. This would take much longer to complete a game and to have a continuous to have a continuous production of. Oh, what? They so much tents and so they could have a structure and order or an order here in this house. Well, and it would take much more time for completing games and so on. So, okay, I checked again this, and I think we got everything. Now we have everything. So I did not perfectly loot this house in the first run, so we have to be more cautious. We have to loot more carefully. Yeah, but I know it should be okay. It should be also a good game for you that I loot not everything and that I don't control everything. But believe me, I guess it's worth to control, to monitor everything what you have. For instance, the condition of the clothing. I did that sometimes before, and it okay. Okay, we can drop this one here. Okay. Oh, we have 10 of these flare shells. That's good. Well, and we have this hatchet. Perfect. We should sharpen the hunting knife. This is perfect. Because we can, I guess, we can use the complete. Yeah. We can use a complete redstone for improving. Yeah. The condition of the knife. So this is now we have another redstone. So this is perfect. It went perfect, really perfect for us. Maybe we can also drop some things here. Actually, I guess. Okay. Well, this is the reason I want to check this. Okay. We actually don't need that. Whoa. Okay. This key are better. 20%. Yeah. We should wear these. Oh. Okay. Do we have better socks? No, we don't have. Actually, we don't need all these things here. Yeah, maybe we should control first. We should control whether we have no additional trousers. Do we have? No. What is with the boots? The boots are not better. Okay. We can shortly repair that. Because every repair, it takes some time here for repairing. I know that, but well, I know we should not do that in the sessions maybe, but on the other hand, I did not prepare for the session. I did not write down something, and so I have to come into the game, and this is actually the best way. When you don't play. When you haven't played in the last days, it's the best way for coming into the game. So okay, this is not better. Okay, let's make some decisions here. I guess we could. Okay, 20. This is good. 20 sounds good to me. Well, we have 7 clothes. This is perfect. Fresh rabbit pelts. Tell you what, we can drop these. We should drop that. But I don't know actually whether they dry here, or whether they have to be located in the free house. They only dry in the closed house. Okay, later for we have not so much here. I guess we can leave that here. They only dry in a house, and my question is whether you have to keep it freely at best. Okay, that is weird. Yes. Okay, this is a sign that we wear it, so we can do. Okay, we can take this out. Can take this out. Oh yeah, we have not. Okay, we can throw out the stone. Okay, we can throw out this one, and then we can throw out the wool socks, and so this should be fine. Okay. Painkillers, we have enough. So yeah. Okay, you see. Oh, okay, perfect. We can throw out this one. Okay, and yeah, this is a significant load. Okay, perfect. The other things we can use, and it doesn't take too much from us. The sewing kits are not too heavy. Well, we can also leave the stormlet in here. Okay, so I guess this should be much better. Well, every time when I structure the inventory in game, normally I will try to do that out game. But when I structure the inventory and you don't like to see that, you can skip. You have the comfort when you watch the video that you can skip that, or yeah, you can push forward the video. So yeah, it's no problem for you for doing that if you are not interested in doing that. Perfect. So yeah, I know that these are the tracks. We have to find the keys for the cabins in the sea, at the sea, or around the sea, or the little lake. We have not so much wood. Is it a cedar wood? No, it's a stone. Okay. We will not break any wood. I want to have sticks only. Taking sticks. It will add some weight, but actually, yeah, I guess it's worth trouble. Okay, I guess this is enough. Well, we can go to the dam, but on the other hand side, there is also this tower to explore, so we should do that, I guess. This looks like the best option here. How our condition is, we have to drink, and yeah, this was not too perfect, I would say, because we are not prepared. We have not so much This was worth the trouble. Thank you. um, yeah. Did we? I'm not completely focused yet. We spoke about that I was too tired in the last session for having active management of the time. Well, it's. I guess it has something about. Can we go here? Can we go, please? Yeah, but I guess there's nothing interesting. So, can we go? Whoa. I thought that would be an injury, but yeah. Yeah, better not to have one. So, how we can get to this location above, how it is called, how it was called, I'm not sure. We have also to eat something. How much food we have? Oh, looks good actually. Pork. Yeah, let's eat one of these. It's not perfect. We are not perfectly prepared.
I'd eat snow if the hypothermia wouldn't kill me.
Yeah. I see what you mean. Okay. Maybe it's not worth the investment of energy. I'm not confident that this is the right step. Maybe we should hunt some rabbits here. Maybe we find some rabbits. Actually, I do not see any track or something. Is there a rabbit sign somewhere? No wolves, no rabbits. Yeah. Okay. Well, it was not in the last session. It was not. It was okay for playing, but I thought I did not feel that I'm so tired. I had the feeling actually as I completed the session, and then I want to save and whatever. So this was a cool experience for me. But never mind, we are in a new session, so we can learn, or I can learn from that. And the question is really, should I play or should I not play? So I guess I will decide related to the situation. It's a question whether I have the mood for playing or not. Sometimes I have the mood, sometimes not. So nobody hopefully will be angry when I play one session later. Okay, there's another point of interest. Alright, the tracks are there, so it is actually not the location we actually need to go to. This is a new location, I guess, not related to our objective, our current objective. So the question is, we can see. I mean, we are here, and I guess we see somewhat what is here. It's not the destination here. Risk of infection. Okay. Yeah, abandoned dump. Okay. Okay, perfect. A truffle trapper. It lives alone in the wilderness of Mystery Lake. Doesn't seem to like people much. Trust. Okay, what? Oh, we can get again some of these trust points. Well, you should at least have some basic trust to us because we secured him for forget what is that? This is not a natural. In nature, that you have no rectangled forms. This, yeah, yeah, but not this one, I guess. This is a button, maybe to another game. I'm not sure. Oh, look at this! How cool is that? And it becomes better when we go to the tower. And I don't see any birds here. So that means that we have that there's no dead body in that corpus. So, well, we cannot loot, but on the other hand side, I'm rather happy that we don't have additional corpus dead bodies here. Dead corp, yes, yeah. So, yeah, lookout. So easy is the English word for that. Because we have a lookout here. Oh, look at this. We came from there. Okay, there's something else. I guess the dam is somewhere in this direction, and we saw something which is there. Okay, we found an additional, I guess, maybe, I don't remember something from the other games we played, but yeah, what is that? Would be nice to see that. It's too late for making an additional thing, so I guess we will stay the night here in this lookout. Looks like a normal house or somewhat, so we can stay here, I guess. Well, and well, on the other hand, one hand side we have the dam here, and yeah, I guess we look in the other direction, and it should be there. Perfect. Yeah, we have enough. Look, we have enough locations here. Look, the map is big enough for hiding somewhat. Okay, let's go, because we shouldn't use the daylight for exploring the tower here, or the lookout. I learned this term here. Well, yeah, I guess it's worth to play games when you are in the mood for doing that. Also, when you are a bit tired and when you don't have a fluent. Yeah, let's close that thing. Oh, we have. Oh, this is closed thing. Okay.
I could use this.
Yeah, I know, but actually we don't. We have wool socks again. Cool. Trail boots. Okay. Okay, energy bar. This is perfect. Whoa. Yes. Cool. Book.
I need to drop something.
No, you don't need to. What? Whetstone! Like this. Like this game. I like this game. This is the time. Pork and beans. Yeah, it's perfect. We should. Whoa, this is really cool. This is really cool. We have a message here, but we should first loot everything. What? Okay, there's pork and beans again. Okay, this is the case we found. We already found. But we should look at first. Should check first everything around that. Okay, perfect. We can table. Okay, this is nothing. We can use a bed. This is perfect. Actually, I would not locate the bed near the door. This is not a good plan for in my eyes. The bed should be there, or should be there maybe, or when you want to use everything, but it should not be located near the door. Sorry, I would not do that. But I'm a guest here, so we check out this, okay, and then we read it. The text on this note is largely unreadable. This message was meant for someone. Hopefully, they were able to decipher it. Unfortunately, there are a handful of recognizable landmarks and a bold arrow pointing large X. Okay. Yeah. Do we have this X at our map now? This would be cool. No, we have no additional X. Oh. Yeah. There's a supply cache. Okay. But we have no X. No additional X. Okay. Okay. Well, what do we have for? Okay, we can eat this one here because it's near to be broken. Okay. We can eat. Yeah, we should eat what is near. Okay, 20. Perfect. We need to melt snow. We need to make the pork, and we should make a herbal tea and a cup of coffee. So perfect. I guess we need more than a cedar wood. Do we have a reclaimed wood here? Yes, perfect. So we can. Do we have one? Yeah, one of these was not complete. So we use that. Well, we first meet. Oh. No, it is not the sun. Of course not, because we make the fire. Yeah, I will focus on the game. I will concentrate my mind. So, yeah, the sun's going up. Well, we make some food, then we have some sleep. We cannot.
That's done.
Yes, sir. Let's use climb wood. We have the sticks. We should leave 2 sticks. Okay, we can first.
I could use a drink.
Yeah. How much we have? Okay, we can boil. Okay, we can melt half of this. So perfect. And we can boil that. All we have. Yeah, it becomes. Oh, why we are not so perfectly according to our condition. I'm not sure. Herbal tea. Yes, we should use herbal tea because we have an improved rest now. So then we can use the water. Okay. So the main problem is fixed. Then we can cook this one here, and hopefully we have no problem with our health when we cook it. Why this is not reduced, I don't know exactly. Okay, I will eat one of them. So, okay, enough coffee for tomorrow. Okay. So, dusty pork and beans. Dusty pork and beans. Let's cook this, one of these. So perfect. Now we can boil it and cook it, and then everything will be good. So let's check our health, because how much we have. Portable. Yeah, we can melt one. Only 15 minutes left, so we have a problem. Okay, we have to invest.
Something's gotta go.
Yes. We can invest the last sticks. Okay, we can invest the last sticks for boiling the last water. So perfect. Well, this works. Okay. Perfect. So, we have herbal tea. We have opened. Okay, prepared rosa reishi tea. Okay. We have reishi. We have herbal tea. We have no. We should make. No. Dusty pork and beans, herbal tea. Yeah, we should cook these rosehipes. Hopefully this is enough time. No! Shit. Okay. I don't invest a cedar for getting these rosehipe tea. Whoa. Look at this. How beautiful it is. I will not leave, of course not. But we should. Yeah, we can look tomorrow when there's maybe a clear day. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Is it beautiful or not? I think it's cool. Yeah, we had checked out this lookout. And well, tomorrow I guess. Tomorrow we can go to the dam. for finding out what's going on there. I'm so happy that we found a whetstone here, and we have a rifle, ammunition, and whatever. And we need an additional key for this one here. Okay, I don't know where we get this. Because I actually checked out the most things here. So we can use the last light for having a last look. But actually I guess we checked everything. It's not here. Well, we learned in one of these houses in Milton that there are hidden things behind, or behind some clothes, in the ground somewhere, or something. Somehow, it's the wind. The wind is partly also here, and okay, the game has no arrows. Okay. Tell you what. We go to that. We are happy. Yeah, we can eat the pork. 600. Yeah, I can't eat that. And yeah, we take the water here, and then we are good. And hopefully we have a good rest. And I don't know exactly why we have not completely we have not 100%. Why we are not completely healthy Yeah. I have no idea. But this is maybe we have also the opportunity. We improved our things here. I guess this is everything is acceptable. We cannot craft because we have not the pelts or the rabbit skins. Find the cache near the entrance to the Fallen Muskeg region from Mystery Lake. Yeah, okay, we can loot the cache. We already know that it is there. So, but we should know where we should explore this one here, and we should also find what is meant by this message here in the lookout with the different crosses. Yeah. Well, I guess this is planned for the next time. Do you like to spend your time? We should sleep here in the bed, which is 9 or 8. 9 or 8. Okay, let's take 8. Okay, and let's take a rest. Yeah. Well, it's interesting. It would be very interesting to rest here in such a environment. Are there some we should look out. We should okay. Are there some lights somewhere? Okay. No. Actually not. Okay. Ooh, it's cold. So we should go in. Okay. Let's take we take the other bed for 2 hours. Okay. This should be enough. Yeah, we have a plan for today. Yeah, it becomes morning, I guess. So we can start. We have enough energy. Enough. Yeah. We are 100%. This is good. We should eat something. Dusty pork and bean. Let's eat it. Okay, perfect. And then maybe we can. This is 90, 70. Yeah, we can eat this one here. We should not leave too much old things. And, well, I guess we are perfectly prepared for the day. Thank you that you were with me here in the wilderness. Tomorrow we will see what we can do with the objectives we said. Yeah. I hope that you accompany me and see you soon in the next session. Bye.